Your soldering tools don't have to be expensive. For neat soldering, some simple tools are enough. Pin-through hole components like capacitors and inductivities can be soldered with a simple soldering iron. When using soldering irons without temperature control, you need to meet the 3-second soldering time. With a desoldering tool, VEC X, solder is removed at the right time. It is easy to drain the container after intensive usage. Wipe off the seal ring with a cloth. Remaining solder is captured with the soldering wick. The exchange of the soldering tip is quite easy, with a functional tool and some hand movements. The tip is cleaned with a brass brush to prevent oxides and deposits. A cost-effective soldering iron. A simple but effective desoldering pump. A multifunctional hand tool supports your operation, and the brush keeps everything clean.